My share to you today is a tropical themed graduation bar cart. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and today I will be bringing to you my bar cart decorated out for my granddaughter's graduation. Now, decorating this bar cart today, or styling out this bar cart, or stocking this bar cart, whatever, in whichever way you choose to look at it. Is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by Marilyn of It's a Cozy Lifestyle, and her co-host is JRC Restoration. Both their channels will be in my description box below, along with the playlist link of all of the other creators. So please go over and pay them a visit once you are done here hanging out with me. And again, I welcome you all here. I thank you so much for clicking on that button just to see what it is that I was up to today. Now, while I'm saying all of that, if you're new to my channel, let me just say to you, I do welcome you here, and I thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you that continue to show me so much love and support and care, I thank each and every one of you. And please know I don't take your views and your viewing of my channel for granted. I do appreciate it so much. So with that being said, I am going to, step out of your way and let you see which way I decided to go. Whether the bar cart is going to be in here on the inside, and I know you can't see it, but it's right here. It's right here. Or if it's going to be on the outside, which is where my heart desires, but we'll see. We just have to see what the weather does for us. Thank you, guys. Okay guys, as you see, I had to go with the bar cart on the inside, and I decided to go with a tropical theme. I want it to be fun, I want it to be pretty, I want it to be festive, I wanted it to be light. So I thought I would take them to a place for a tropical visit with some citrus fruit, plenty to drink, and very light. I guess we should say light hors d'oeuvres. Kids, they really don't like to do a lot of eating when they are having fun and talking, but they do kind of like to just nibble a bit. So I thought I'd make it in such a way that they could do just that, still have fun, and still enjoy the scene. So you guys let me know what you think of my tropical themed bar cart for my granddaughter's graduation, as we are so excited and happy for her. Aren't those roses just gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And I picked those up from Walmart. Do you believe it? Beautiful flowers. And I thought they were just perfect for this scene. Okay, you guys, I was able to retrieve the video or the clips that I had deleted by mistake. So here we go. I am mixing the drink here. I put ice into the container first. Now I'm pouring the syrup, the strawberry syrup. Next, I will be adding the Sprite. And as you can see here, I am making a mess. I could never be a bartender or a mixologist because just trying to mix this stuff is just not working for me. I just made a mess. So nevertheless, add the Sprite, and then after the Sprite I'm adding the pineapple orange juice, and I will mix that together. And I thought this would be a fun drink for the teenagers. A mixed drink, non-alcoholic. And I had my husband to taste it. He said that it tasted okay. Now that means that it's okay, because if it wasn't, he would tell me that it's not good. And I appreciate that, because that way he's upfront and honest with me, and I won't try to make it again. So you guys, I hope you will enjoy this, and if you do try it, let me know what you think of it. If you don't like a sweet drink, then I would suggest adding a little more water, or either adding some more ice to it. Okay, you guys, I thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have enjoyed my bar cart. As I stated before, it's part of a collaboration, and it's a cozy lifestyle with Marilyn and JRC Restoration. Information in my description box below, along with the playlist of all the other creators. You guys, I thank you so very much, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to inspire you and give you some ideas as to how you too can decorate a bar, whether it's on the inside or the outside. Be blessed, take care, and until I see you again. And don't forget, if you're new here and you want to become a part of my family, just click that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, and you won't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. And you guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a comment in the comment section. I do love reading your comments, and subscribe, because I am on the rise. I appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And just know, I could not have done any of what I have done had it not been for each of you.